Right. Okay. So now today's work, it's going to be an intelligent bulb, right? Intelligent bulb. Everyone focus. We need to know basics of electrical stuff today, right? That is now you must have received. You must have received a holder. Holder kai neither plug top kai, and also you have received a wire. No kids. Wire ko thambuna neither kids. Yeah, right. You all have received that, no? ඒක ඔයගලන්ගේ kit එකේ තියෙනවා. Right. So what you should do is this. Initially, please connect the two wires to the holder. මේ holder එකට wires දෙක connect කරගන්න. Two wires to the holder like this. මේ holder එකට wires දෙක connect කරගන්න. ඉතින් දන්නවනේ නේද? Right? Blue wire and the brown wire connect it to the holder. Right? Step number 1. Okay? Please connect it. If you have already connected, superb. Taggala connect karagan, right? Okay. Then the other side of the two wires, very important. Hari. Taggala then kattiya connect karagannako. Right? Connect karagannako taggala. Let me know once you are done. Let me know once all of you are done with this, kids. Connect it and let me know once you are done. Okay? Right. Video එකේ quality මදි වගේ. වෙන්න බෑනේ මං I'm in the same network. Video having a problem today? Can you all see me clearly, kids? Yeah, right. ඒකනේ. හරි. So very simple අර wire එක මේ අනේ මේ flexible wire එක මේක අරගෙන මේ lines දෙක connect කරන්න holder එකට. Come on. මේ හරි simple දෙයක් මේක. This is very simple stuff, okay? Right? Okay. හරි connect කරන්න. All of you are done with this, kids? Okay. Then afterwards you have to connect the other end මේ අනික් පැත්ත මේ තියෙන අනික් පැත්ත. The other end we have blue wire and brown wire, no? You have to take the plug top, right? Plug top එක screw එක remove කරගන්න. And then right. Are you all done up to this extent, kids? Are you all done up to this extent? Yeah? No. Innalu samara, right? Okay. Okay. Now in 230 volt. Okay, in 230 volt connection, there are mainly two lines. That is neutral and live. You call it neutral and phase also, right? Mainly, okay. So this neutral and live, we need to identify properly. It is actually there in your normal electric. If the electricity that supply that configuration has been done properly, if the wiring is done properly in your house, then definitely live and neutral will work in a proper way, right? So anyway, no, Tinkercad එකෙන් make කරන්න බෑ අමිල, right? So now when you open the plug top, in the plug top also in the bottom you can find a small screw in there. When you open the plug top, usually via that I gave you a contact number to get the Arduino components. Definitely he must have delivered you a 3-pin plug top, right? You all have this 3-pin plug top, right, kids? Yeah, right? Superb. Okay, so this 3-pin plug top, remove the outer casing and then you will see something like this. Can you all see there is a fuse inside? 13 ampere fuse inside. Yeah, right. Okay, this fuse is there for the live wire. We call it usually that is where the electricity is, right? Okay, very simply explaining. Okay, so live wire is should be connected to that fuse. Okay, live wire. So which means we are going to connect the brown wire to that one, the brown wire to that one. So brown wire is going to get connected to the live connection. The other side, not the top one, top one is earth, not that one. The other side, the blue one, let's connect it to neutral, right? You call it neutral, right? So very simple. Live wire, that is to the uh, to the fuse side of it, to the fuse side, connect the brown wire. Fuse එකේ පැත්තට brown wire එක connect කරා. There are screws in there no, right? So for example ඔන්න බලන්න මම දැන් connect කරලා පෙන්නනවා එක. Right? ඔන්න connect කරා, and then wait. Likewise, it's connected now. Now I'm going to tighten it. Right. Fine. Now only this wire is connected. Can you see that? Can you all see this? Brown wire is considered as the live wire in my case, and then it is connected to the side where the fuse is. Okay, screwdriver, tester, whatever, I don't mind, you can use it. If you have, let's say, a 2-pin one, doesn't matter. If it's a 2-pin one, connect it to the right side. ඒ කියන්නේ දැන් 2-pin one එක ගත්තාම මෙහෙම ගත්තාම මේකේ right side එකට connect කරන්න කිව්ස් live wire එක. 2-pin one තිබ්බොත් එහෙම මේකේ right side එකට connect කරන්න live එක. Okay සිලුනි? Okay සෆියා? 2-pin one එකේ right side එකට connect කරන්න live wire එක. Okay? Right. Fine. So it's better to have your like someone to support you, your family member with you when conducting this session, since we are dealing with 230 electricity. Okay, right. On the live wire connect kara. Now you can see on top I have something, no, that is earth. Don't connect anything to that. And on the on this side, okay, which means the side which is not having the fuse, I can connect the other wire. I can connect the other wire, right? So change it, Hema. Then we are all following the same procedure, no? Right. Now I have connected blue wire also to the neutral. Colors වෙනස් වුණොත් issue එකක් නැහැ. ඒ වුණාට මතක තියාගන්න ඕනේ. ඔයගොල්ලෝ මතක තියාගන්න. ඒ කියන්නේ මේ colors වෙනස් වුණාට issue එකක් නැහැ. But මතක තියාගන්න live wire එකට ගියේ මේ color එකට, neutral එකට ගියේ මේ color එක කියලා. So in my case දැන් neutral එක මම හිතන් ඉන්නේ blue නේ. N means neutral, nil. Nil පාට. Blue, right? Very easy to keep in mind. Right? Neutral එක nil පාට. So blue wire. Lazy නේ kids. ඒකයි මම මෙතන N එකට blue දාලා තියෙන්නේ. And then live wire I have what? Brown color. Easy no? Easy. ඒකයි මම එහෙම දාලා තියෙන්නේ. So that you won't forget. නැත්තම් නිකන් එක පාට plug එකක් දිහා බලලා අද දන්නේ මම මේකේ neutral එකට face එකට connect කරේ කියලා ඔයගොල්ලෝ standard එකක් තියාගත්තේ නැති වුණොත් it's going to be a problem. So have a sort of a standard. Right? Okay everyone? Done with this? මේ මම නම් දැන් connected මේ. Connected. ඔව් LDR එකත් ඕනේ අද. අද LDR එකයි obstacle detection එකයි දෙකම use කරනවා kids. That's fine Divyanga, don't worry. Hope you all can see the connection, right? Okay. Error part, Lushen, you will have to see and fix. Right. Now, okay. Then do it later on, Divyanga. Better to do it later on. Fine. Now, all of you okay? All of you are okay? Done? Right. Then what you have to do? Properly close the plug. Plug top, properly close it. හරියට මේක වහලා කම්මැලි වෙන්නේ නැතුව screw එක දාලා screw එක හොඳට tight කරලා properly close it. Properly close it. Right? Properly close it. මේ මගේ එක මේ open වෙන්නේම නෑ ඔය කොහොම කරත් බෑ kids. Right? Okay. Are you all done with this kids? Come on everyone. Are you all done? Super glue ගන්න එපා. No, super glue ගන්න යන්න එපා. Right. Okay. So everyone done, right? Hari. Now first of all check whether our bulb is working or not. බලමු bulb එක වැඩ කරනවද කියලා. So what you should do? Bulb එක අරන් kids hold එකට connect කරන්න. Very simple. නේ? ගත්ත bulb එක ගත්තා. මේ hold එකේ මේ hold එකට connect කරන්න. එතන පොඩ්ඩක් මේ පැත්තට පොඩ්ඩක් rotate කරන්න ඕනේ. Right side to the right side there is a small rotation. Right? පොඩි rotation එකක් කරන්න ඕනේ. හරි? Okay. Now the bulb is properly connected. බාන්න මෙහෙම කළා මේ. ගැලවෙන්නේ නැහැ නෙමෙයි. Right? Done with that? Are you all done with that? Everyone done with this? Yeah? Superb. Then take your 230 volt plug එක මේ bulb එක plug එක අරගෙන kids connect කරන්න plug ඔයරි power source එකකට connect කරන්න. switch එකක් තියෙන තැනකට connect කරන්න. switch එක වෙනම on කරන්න පුළුවන් නම් හොඳයි. And then turn on the switch and see ඔන්න මගේ නම් bulb එක වැඩ කරනවා මේ. It's working. bulb එක වැඩ නේද? Okay? Working, right? හරි හරි. There's no magic in it. මේ bulb එකක් කොහොමද ඉතින් light up වෙනවනේ. මේකේ magic නෑ. Right. Okay. Always when you are holding the bulb මේ hold එකෙන් අල්ල ගන්න bulb එක. හොඳේ? මේ hold එකෙන් අල්ල ගන්න. වෙන කොහෙන්වත් අල්ලන්න යන්න එපා. hold එකෙන් අල්ලන්න bulb එක. This for your own safety I'm saying that. Okay? Right. Okay. Right. Now turn it off and remove it from the plug. Then again I have what? The plug top and the bulb is here. Then I remove කරලා තියෙන්නේ. Could you all remove it kids? Come on. Everyone removed? Yeah? Everyone removed me? Then remove කරලා තියෙන්නේ මේ. Remove කරලා තියෙන්නේ. Okay? Right. Fine. Sure නේ removed නේද? Okay, right. If your parents are there, then මම මෙතන remove කියනකොටම definitely ඒගොල්ලෝ අනිවාර්යෙන් remove කරනවා. That's I'm pretty sure. Right? Because then you loving yourself, your parents love to you more than how you do to yourself. That's for sure. Right? අනිවාර්යෙන්. ඒ නිසා මේක parents ට ඇහෙන්න තියන්න. එතකොට ටක් ගාලා off කරන්න කියපු ගමන් ඒගොල්ලෝ ගිහලා off කරලා ගලවනවා. Right? Trip එක හරි off කරනවා. That's for sure. Okay? Right. So okay, now The next step is the most important step. ටිකක් මේක දැන් මේක මෙහෙම පැත්තකින් තියන්න kids. දැන් මේක මෙහෙම තියන්න පැත්තකින් තියලා තියන්න, right? Keep it away. Now take your relay module, right? Relay module में relay module एक गන්න kids. Now I'm about to remove the cover. Relay module, right? The 2-channel relay. All of you must have received a 2-channel relay. Yeah, right? Right? Okay, then make it relays දෙකක් තියෙනවා. Right? Even if you have one, don't worry. We are going to anyway use only one, right? So 1 channel okay, that's okay. 1 channel okay, right? 1 channel okay. If you have 2 relays, which means it is now 2 channel, right? If you are going to have 4 relays, which means it is 4 channel. Likewise, okay, right? Now we are going to learn about relay a little bit. This is going to be ultra important. Otherwise, you cannot connect it properly to the relay, right? Okay. So this is how the relay works. Relay module එක අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම තියෙනවා. ඒ list එකේ order කරා නම් definitely තියෙනවා. Right? Okay. Okay. So now how a relay works. It's like this. Let's think that this is the relay. Everyone stay focused. This is very, very, very important. මේ තියෙන්නේ relay එක කියලා හිතන්නකෝ. Right. This relay, on top of this you can see on this side, on top of it you can see there are 3 placers with screws. Could you find those 3 places? Yeah, තියෙනවා නේද? අර අපි අර මේ බල්බ් එක මේ හෝල්ඩ් එකට හයි කරේ ඒ වගේම නැත්නම් otherwise අර ප්ලග් එකට හයි කරේ ඒ වගේ we have no, right? Right. So 6 තියෙනවා. මම කියන්නේ each relay has 3 no. Each relay has 3. Right? Now we are about to understand what these things are. හරි? මේක ලස්සනට ඇඳලා පෙන්නනවා. right? ඔන්න තියෙනවා screws. right? okay. හරිනේ? right. Now also in the board, if you take the entire board separately, let's say this is our board. There can be another relay in here. මෙතන තව relay එකක් තියෙන්න පුළුවන්. Maybe yes or no. තියෙන්න පුළුවන් නැති වෙන්නත් පුළුවන්, right? Here in the board you can see that there are 3 or 4 pins down there. මෙන්න මෙහෙම මම මේ pins ටික මොනවද කියලා හරියටම කියන්න. Wait. මම pins ටික මෙහෙම අඳින්නම්. 1 2 3 4. If you have a 2-channel one, then you must be having if you have a 2-channel one, then you must be having 4 pins. If you have a 1-channel relay module, then you must be having 3 pins. Harini, could you all detect it? Yeah? Could you all detect it? Yeah? Could you all see it? Fine, superb. Now, I'm just saying usually how it appears, okay? It can be different in your case. Usually in the leftmost side, we have GND. Make a GND කියලා තියන්න පුළුවන්. Or else මෙන්න මේ mark එකක් දාලා තියෙන්න පුළුවන් earth, or else it must have mentioned minus කියලා. This line is that. On the rightmost side you must be having VCC, or else 5 volt කියලා දාන්න පුළුවන්, otherwise plus කියලා දාන්න පුළුවන්. You all have that? Okay. So this is minus ground or this sign, or else 5 volt VC is your plus. I have taught you this anyway, right? So these two are the rightmost and the leftmost pin are for these two, right? Okay. So this is going to be this pin, and this is going to be for this particular pin. All of you are done with this? Can you understand this? Right. Now, in between, we have either 2 or 1 pin. These pins are saying, one is saying in 1 kila, and the other one is saying in 2 kila. Yeah, right? One is saying in 1 and the other one is saying in 2 kila. Why these are used for? These two are used to provide, these are actually digital inputs. Digital inputs. If it's a digital input is going to take what values, kids? What values, kids? 0 and 1. Otherwise, අපි Arduino වල මොකක්ද use කරේ? 0 1 කියලා. Mainly අපි use කරේ high and low. Right. So digital inputs can be either high or low. So we can give either high or low values for this. I'm proceeding very slowly with this, huh? So you must catch up very slowly with this. Is this crystal clear up to this extent, kids? Come on. Yeah? Okay. Super. Now, in the relay, maybe above this or else under the relay. Maybe above this. Right? Above this. Wait, let me try to focus. All right, done now. Above this or else it can be under even. It has mentioned something like this. I'm going to go for some straight lines in here. Something like this. Can you all see this? මෙහෙම එකක් තියනවද kids? තියනවා නේ? තියනවා නේද? Right. Okay. Okay. උඩ තමයි තියෙන්නේ. මෙන්න මේකෙන් උඩ තියෙන්නේ එක. ගොඩක් දුරට. Otherwise under. Under තියෙන්නත් පුළුවන්. යට තියෙන්නත් පුළුවන් මේක. Right? Let me check another relay module which I have received me. දැන් මං ගාව තව relay එකක් තියෙනවා. ඒකේ තියෙන්නේ යට. Under. Right? Okay. So here I'll tell you what these things are. These three things actually are talking about three connections. Three different connections. Okay? Three different three different connection. I will tell you how this actually works. This relay has a electromagnetic coil. This relay has an electromagnetic coil. When you give 5 volt power supply to this relay, this switch changes. Now, usually it's connected to this side. Usually it's connected to left side, this side no. So we call this side NC kila. NC means normally connected. That is there in some circuits actually. Yes. NC means normally connected. ඒ කියන්නේ එයා නිකන් කනෙක්ට් වෙලා ඉන්නේ නිකන්. normally එයා ඉන්නේ කනෙක්ට් වෙලා. Okay. Could you all find that? කියන්නේ NC කියලා තියෙන්නත් පුළුවන් නැති වෙන්නත් පුළුවන් kids. All right. It can be there. Maybe it's not there. That is okay. Huh? Okay. Then make a normally connected or else normally closed කියලා කියනවා අපි මේකට. Normally closed කියලා කියනවා. So it's which means it's already connected. Then on the right side, this side you have NO, which means normally open. NO කියලා කියන්නේ normally open. Normally open. Okay. In the middle, we have, මෙන්න මෙයා ටිකක් important. In the middle we have, මෙන්න මෙයා ටිකක් important. This one is common. මෙයා තමයි common. This one is common. හරිද? You can have a different set of lines. ඒ කියන්නේ මේක එක එක විදිහට ඇඳලා තියන්න පුළුවන්. Some of you might find it in this way. මෙහෙම තියන්න පුළුවන් නිකන්. ඉන්නකො මම දැන් තව සර්කිට් එකක් පෙන්නන්න. ඔව් ඒක නිකන් තියෙන්න පුළුවන්. wait. නිකන් මෙහෙම තියෙන්නත් පුළුවන්. right? මෙහෙම තියෙන්නත් පුළුවන්. How many of you have something like this? දැන් මේක physically පෙන්නන්නලු. හරි. ඉන්න මම physically පෙන්නන්න. I have to use the phone flasher for this. Right. ඔන්න මම physically පෙන්නන්න. Wait. Can you all see it now? ඔය තියෙන්නේ උඩම පොඩි lines ටිකක් ඇඳලා. ඔන්න තියෙනවා physically අම්මර. අන්න right. K1 and K2 කියන එක තමයි. අන්න right. ඔව්. Okay. K1 K2 කියන එක තමයි. හරි. Now we have to find out the normally connected one. Normally connected side. I will tell you what is happening here. When you give the 5-volt power supply to this relay, it is going to switch from normally connected to normally closed to normally open. මෙයා මෙතන ඉඳන් මෙතන switch වෙනවා. switch එකක් විතර වැඩ කරන්නේ. එයා මෙහෙම switch වෙනවා. So what happens? These two lines they may connect and these two lines will get connected. හරිද? Right. Don't worry. I will tell you how to check this. අපි මේක check කරලම බලමු. බය වෙන්න එපා. Okay? okayද? Right. NCNO තියෙන එක හරි. NCNO තියෙනවා නම් ඒත් හරි. Right? Okay. So don't worry kids. We'll check this. Sorry. Don't worry. හරි. මේ මගේ එක වෙනස්. අනේ මගේ එහෙම නෑ. Don't worry. Okay? We'll check this. Hurry. Right. So basically, I want you to understand how a relay is working. Let's find out which one is your NC side, which one is your NO side. Doesn't matter. Anyway, in the middle, we have common. We මැද්දේ තියෙන එක's common එක. In the middle, we have what? Common. හරිද? okayද everyone? හැමෝටම middle තියෙනවනේ. මේ middle තියෙන common එක. Right? Okay. Now, this is how it's working. Now, in one, let's say this is relay 1. There is another relay. No? Another relay තිබ්බොත් තමයි in 2 එක තියෙන්නේ. For this in 1, when I'm going to give a signal, based on this signal, this relay is going to get turned on. ඒ කියන්නේ this electromagnetic coil is going to work and then මේ NC එකේ common line එක NC එකට connect වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. by default command line is connected to NCA, which means what? By default these two screws are connected. When you give the electromagnetic power to this, right, when this coil, electromagnetic coil activates, what is going to happen? It is going to switch to the other two. Command is going to get connected with the next one, not with this one. So මෙයාගේ connection එක නැති වෙලා ගිහලා මෙයාට connection එක එනවා. අර vehicles වල signal light එක blink වෙන්නේ kids. අන්න ඒ වගේ sound එකක් අපිට මේකෙදී එනවා. When this is switching from the normally connected to the normally open. Right? Is this clear, kids? Right. Okay. Now tell me, you have to answer. Make it clear. Let's say now I'm going to say on the 1 kila. I'm going to give this a number, okay? Mea thamai 1, okay? Mea thamai 2, mea thamai 3, okay? Tell me, now then make it power supply mukut dila ne. Power supply dila ne. Which two are connected by default? 2 and 1 are connected. Right. 2 and 1 are connected. Hari. Can you understand this? Can all of you understand? Harida? Right. Now, I'm going to give a signal via digital input. May in one digital input signal. Now what's going to happen? 1 and 3 is connected. Then tell me, is 1 and 2 connected anymore? 1 and 2 connected anymore after that? No. Right. No. It was on a part relay module power nathi veනවා. Then what's going to happen? Again 2 and 1 are connected. When 2 and 1 are connected, is 1 and 3 connected? Is 1 and 3 connected? No. Very good. You can understand. Then they know with you, right. Okay. That is what we need. Hurry. Now, kids, everyone focus. Now, this is what we are going to do. Be very much careful with this step. Usually, we connect a switch. Switch connect. Don't forget that. We connect it to the neutral line. Neutral eකට තමයි connect කරන්නේ. Live එකට නෙමෙයි. Live එකට connect කරන්න පුළුවන්. But for safetyness, thinking of safetyness, we connect it to the neutral. හරිද? Now, let's see how to do this. Now tell me in our connected one. Now we have our plug top, which is connected with the bulb, the holder. It's now fully connected. Tell me, which wire is our neutral wire? Then matakaini. Blue wire. Perfect. N nil neda anna right. Perfect. Right. N nil. Right. Okay. Now what you should do? May wire ke at a certain place, half tanaking hari blue wire ka. Then make sure it's all disconnected. May man disconnect kala dine hone. Disconnect kala dine. May wire ka kids cut karagan. Cut it off. Harida. Cut it off, everyone. Harida. දෙකට ඔය අපි මේ කනෙක්ට් කරන්න යන්නේ relay module එකට. Right? Oh. Blue wire. Okay? Right, hurry. Now අදනම් මට තමයි hina යන්නේ. Right. ඔන්න මම දැන් blue wire එක disconnect කරලා තියෙනවා. හරි? Right. Right. Okay. Now you can see my blue wire is disconnected. Me blue wire එක මම disconnect කරලා තියෙනවා. හරිනේ? Blue wire කපලා තියෙන, cut කරලා තියෙන. හරිනේ? Okay? Right? All of you done? කපන්න ඔච්චර යන්නේ නැහැනේ, right? Okay. හරි. නෑ. Then there is a side which is coming from the holder, no? Hold එකෙන් එන side එක තියෙනව නේද kids? Hold එකෙන් එන side එක තියෙනවනේ. ඒ side එක නෙමෙයි, අනික් side එක ගන්න. Plug top එකෙන් එන side එක. This is the side which is coming from the plug top. මේ plug top එකෙන් එන blue wire එක. You all have this with you? Come on. You all have this with you? Yeah, right? Plug top එකෙන් එන blue wire එක තියෙනව නේද? Plug top එකෙන් එන එක hole එකෙන් එන එක නෙමෙයි. The side of the wire which is coming from the plug top. හරිනේ? ඒ wire එක that side of the wire connected to common of ඒ කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? common එක කියන්නේ මෙන්න මේ number 1 එකට. common of our relay module. එක relay එකක common එකට connect කරා. to a one relay in our relay module. ඒකෙත් screw එක release කරලා උඩටම release කරන්න පුළුවන් තරම් screw එක release කරලා ඊට පස්සේ connect කරන්න kids. Right? Okay? So මේ තියෙන්නේ plug top එකෙන් එන wire එක I'm going to connect it to the middle of one relay module මේ you can see that මේ එක screw එකක් උඩට ඇවිල්ලා තියෙන්නේ ඒ middle තියෙන screw එකට තමයි මම connect කරලා තියෙන්නේ right and then මෙතන යටින් connect කරන්න තියෙන්නේ yeah? and then tighten it up and then tight කරා fine now it's fully connected නිකන් චුට්ටක් යාන්තම් ඇදලා බලන්න එළියට එනවද කියලා right මේ බලන්න ඒක fully connected ආයි ඒකේ මුකුත් wires එළියේ නැහැ wait I'll show you right see it's now properly connected okay kids it's now properly connected you can see that right මේක අයින් කරන්නකෝ plug top එක ඕනේ නැහැනේ right මෙතින් properly connected okay right hari to the middle one yes to the middle one ඒ කියන්නේ ඔන්න I'm going to show it now in the form of a diagram දැන් මේ diagram එකේ මම පෙන්නන්න යන්නේ let's say that this is our මේ තියෙන අපේ plug එක කියලා හිතන්නකෝ okay this has the blue one and the brown one the blue side is there no right and also brown side එක මම ගන්නවා right brown side එක මම red වලින් දානවා let's say this is the brown one okay these are plugged okay මේ side එකේ මම දානවා bulb එක oops now this is the bulb ඔන්න මේ side එකේ bulb එක this is the plug okay blue wire from the plug we have disconnected and then now we are connecting that blue wire this blue wire we have connected to this number 1 ඔන්න blue wire එක number 1 එකට දැන් connect කරලා තියෙන්නේ plug එකකින් එන blue wire එක number 1 එකට connect කරලා තියෙන්නේ all of you done you can use any relay for that K1 hari K2 hari doesn't matter okay right superb okay now this is directly connected දැන් මේ red wire එක red line එක connected නේ එයා bulb එකට කොහොමද connected මෙයා bulb එකට කොහොමද connected එයා anyway connected right අරයා තමයි connected නැත්තේ right okay now that's fine Karunita hari plug base එකේ brown wire should be in right side yes hari now the other දැන් මේකෙන් එනවනේ bulb එකෙන් එනවනේ blue wire එකක් kids bulb එකකින් එන blue wire එක connect කරන්න normally open එකට. ඒ කියන්නේ number 3 එකට. bulb එකකින් එන blue wire එක connect කරන්න number 3 එකට, which means normally open එකට. අර open side එක. බලන්න නිකන් open side එක. මේ open වෙලා තියෙන side එක. connected side එකට නෙමෙයි open වෙලා තියෙන side එකට connect කරන්න. See whether you can figure it out. මේක අනික් side එකට connect කරත් issue එකක් නෑ. okay? කියන්නේ but ඒ කියන්නේ issue එකක් වෙන්නේ නැහැ කියලා කියන්නේ ඒ විදිහට වැඩ කරන්නේ නැහැ, but මේ problem එකක් වෙන්නේ නැහැ. right? okay. but properly connected wires මුකුත් එකට එකක් connect වෙන්න තියන්න එපා. නිකන් connect වෙන්න තියන්න එපා. K1 or K2 you can use any. දැන් මේක K1 එකට connect කරලා අනික් එක K2 එකට connect කරන්න එපා. okay? use one relay to connect this. goodness. පොඩ්ඩක් ඉතින් මේ මොලේ චූට්ටක් විතර පාවිච්චි කරන්න. එතකොට ඒක තේරෙනවා kids. පොඩ්ඩක් මේ වෙලාව use කරන්නකෝ. try එකක් දෙන්න. මම දන්නවා දැන් ගෙදර ඉඳලා මේක use වෙන්නෙම නැහැ කියලා වැඩිය. but මේ පොඩ්ඩක් use කරන්න try එකක් දෙන්නකෝ. එතකොට වැඩ කරයි යා කොහොම හරි. මොලේ තිබ්බ කට්ටියනේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ. right? හරි. දැන් මේ ගෙදරම ඉඳලා නේද? let's not talk about that. what do you all say? ඔයගොල්ලෝ accept කරන්නේ නැද්ද? මම මේ කියන එක. දැන් නිකන් ගෙදර ඉඳන් නේද? what has happened to you? I'm going to need to talk with your parents in that case, definitely. They will accept what I'm saying. හරි එහෙනම් අපි paper එකක් තියලා බලමුද? what do you all say? paper එකක් දීලා බලමුද? okay? ඒකනේ කියන්නේ. එතකොට ඕනේ නැහැ. right. fine. music. now focus. then fully connected නේ. now blue wires, both the blue wires are connected. let me show it to you. flasher. both the blue wires are connected now. Properly connected. right everyone? are you all done with this? are you all done with this? fine. super. then kids හොඳට මතක තියාගන්න මේක හොඳේ. මේක හොඳට මතක තියාගන්න. මෙන්න මේ relay module එකට, for this relay module එකෙන් 230 electricity pass වෙන්න යන්නේ. right? so make sure that you keep it in somewhere safe. කියන්නේ somewhere safe කියලා කියන්නේ මේ කබඩ් එක තුල ලොක් කරන්න නෙමෙයි කියන්නේ. right? මොකක් හරි ප්ලාස්ටික් එකක් උඩ වගේ at least okay, which is not metal, keep it on top of that. හරිද? on top of that. මෙහෙම පැත්තකින් තියලා තියන්න. හොඳයි මම මේක තියනවා. I'm going to keep it. මෙන්න මේ wires ටික අරගෙන මේ wires collection එක අරගෙන ඒ wires collection එකට තියනවා kids. හරි. and then connect, don't touch it. yeah, pillow එක is better. yeah, pillow is better. okay? and then try connecting the plug and turn it on. bulb එක on වෙන්නේ නැත්තම් වැඩේ හරි. plug එක connect කරලා turn on කරන්න. bulb එක on වෙනවද නැද්ද kids? check. on වෙන්නේ නැහැ නේද? හරි. on වුණොත් if it is getting turned on, which means you have connected to normally connected one. ඒ කියන්නේ 1 2 තමයි ඔයා connect කරලා තියෙන්නේ. 1 3 නෙමෙයි. can you understand? okay? which means you have connected to 1 2. 1 3 නෙමෙයි. okay? on වෙන්නේ නැහැ නේද kids? on වෙන්නේ නැහැ නේද? superb. right? which means all of you could find out normally open එක all of you have find out. superb. නියමයි. awesome. now දැන් awesome කියලා දැන් මේක අමතක වෙන්න එපා. අමතක කළ එකපාරට ෂේ නියමයි කියලා රිලේ එක අරගෙන උඩ දාලා එහෙම කරන්න යන්න එපා kids. okay? right? okay. now turn off turn this off from the plug. Again, disconnect කරන්න. දැන් මම plug එක disconnect කරලා තියෙන්නේ මේ plug එක මේ. All of you take it and show it. Come on. The plug. Come on. Right. හරි නේද? මේ plug එක අතේද බලන්න තියෙන අතේද බලන්න. All of you come on, disconnect it. Right? Okay. හරි. Disconnected. හරි හරි අම්මෝ. Right. දැන් කවුරුත් මෙතන participant list එක අඩු වෙනවද කියලා බලන්න ඕනේ kids. List එක අඩු වෙනවා කියලා කියන්නේ එතන issue එකක් තියෙනවා කියන එක. Right? Okay. Now හරි. Disconnected. Now the next step, super important. Take your, what do you call this? Matakada maker. What do you call this? Matakada maker. What is it? Breadboard එක ගන්න. Right. Breadboard. Breadboard එක අරගෙන පොඩ්ඩක් පැත්තකින් තියලා තියන්න. We are going to use this breadboard, okay? මෙයා චුට්ටක් පැත්තකින් තියලා තියන්න. Right. And then take a few male female wires ගන්න තුනක් 3 wires take 3 male female wires. Got it everyone? Got it? 3 male female wires. Nail is too small, difficult to connect to the wire. Puluwang Shilma, get the support from one of your, maybe someone in the house. Puluwang. nail එකේ මෙතන යට තියෙන්නේ හොඳේ. wire එක අනිවාර්යෙන් connect කරන්න පුළුවන්. ඒක remove මේ screw එක release කරන්න. Then you can definitely connect it. You have to use a small tester, yeah. Right? Okay. Then right. Focus. Right now, in the relay module, the relay module relay module connect VCC and ground. We learned this no. VCC and ground. What is VCC? VCC එකට අපි Arduino board එකේ මොකක්ද connect කරන්නේ kids? VCC එකට Arduino board එකේ 5 volt. Superb. Ground එකට Arduino board එකේ ground එක තමයි. Right, come on. Connect VCC and ground in the Arduino board to this one. Okay, everyone. Dila power then. Right. Done with this, everyone. VCC and ground. Okay. Right. Then, if you have used K1 relay, which means you have to use in 1. If you have used K2 relay, which means you have to use in 2. Right? Connect in 1 to digital pin number. Connect in 1 to digital pin number 2. In 1 එක digital pin number 2 එකට connect කරන්න kids. නිකන් පැටලෙනවා වගේ. In 1 එක digital pin number 2 එකට. Arduino board digital pin number 2 to in 1 of the relay module. All of you done kids? All of you done with this kids? Come on. Everyone done the? හරිද? Hurry. Okay. Red LED lit up. Fine. Okay. Right. Hurry. Okay. Now it's okay. It's okay. Hurry. किसी प्रश्न नहीं. Okay. Arduino board දෙකේ pin number 2 එකට connect in 1 එක. මේ in 1 එක connect it to Arduino board pin number 2. VCC to Arduino board 5 volt, ground to Arduino board ground. Okay. Okay, the Rashmi. Okay, the Setini. Okay, everyone. Okay, super. Connected the Harida. Connect disconnect color the enemy. Don't forget that me. Disconnect color the end. right? Okay. Then next step, now we are going to code. Arduino board එක දැන් computer එකට connect කරන්න. Right? Computer එකට connect කරන්න. Now we are going to program the Arduino board. Okay? K2 එක නම් in 2 එක එනුදී. K2 එක නම් in 2 එක. හරි. Okay. Hari. Now focus. What are the two main methods, kids? What are the two main methods, kids? What are the two main methods, kids? Come on. Hari Hari Osanda Sadhya Kirana command. What are the two main methods? Mataka Dogolanta? What is the first one? Setup. Neither. Void setup. Void loop. Right. Now I am going to configure. Now tell me, we have connected our relay to pin number what, kids? We have connected our relay to pin number what, kids? 2, ne? Right. Arduino ke pin number, digital pin number 2 is connected to relay modules what, kids? Relay modules what pin, kids? Relay module ke mona pin එක දෙක. Come on. In 1. Perfect. Maybe in 2 වෙන්නත් පුළුවන් ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ. Okay? In 2 ඒ කියන්නේ yeah, you have connected to the second relay, which means හරිද? Right. Now pin mode 2 output. First of all, mention this. Setup එකේ pin mode 2 output. We are going to use the second pin as an output. And then we are saying digital write to high, delay 1000, digital write මේක ඕනට වඩා speed up කරන්න යන්න එපා. Low delay 1000. Relay module එක use කරන්න ආස නම් මේක 1000 ම තියන්න, right? Digital write to high 1000, digital write to low 1000. Okay? Hari. David, can you try sending a message to Nisansa and she will explain how to do that connection. Right? Okay. Right. Okay. So now everything is connected. Digital write to high, digital write to low, delay 1000. And pin mode 2 output. All of you done with this, kids? Come on. All of you done with this, kids? Come on. Hari. Now what you can do is, right, then make a upload karana kids board. Upload kara. Right. Now you should hear a small sound from the relay. I know that. Yeah. Can you all tick tick sound there? Can you? Yeah. Can you all hear the sound? Yeah, everyone? Yeah, right? I know, right? Hurry. No, don't worry. Bomb back name. Hurry. Okay? Right? Hurry. Now what is the next thing to do? Keep it connected, doesn't matter. Keep your relay module in a safe place. Relay module. If you cannot hear a sound, which means you have not done the connection properly. Connect relay module. Right? VCC of the relay module to 5-volt pin of Arduino. For the last time I'm saying this. VCC of relay module to 5-volt pin of Arduino. Ground of relay module to ground of Arduino. then in 1 or in 2 connect karapu relay kanuwa. If you have connected it to in K1 relay, in one relay, in one pin, connect it to pin number 2 of Arduino. Okay, all of you got it? Fine. Now, our plug topic gun. Make sure the relay module is kept in a safer place. Get the plug top and then connect it and turn it on. If you have done it properly, you should see the 230 bulb is getting turned on and off. You all got it, kids? Right, Hari. Okay, superb. Don't worry, Himash. Right. Everyone okay, right? It's working, right? Fine. Arduino pin number 2 මේ කෝඩ් එක බලන්නකො මේ Arduino එකේ මොන pin එකටද කියලා අහනවා මේ Arduino pin number 2 you should connect it right okay right now working no හරි now turn it off මේක නෙමෙයිනේ අපිට කරන්න ඕනේ මෙයාව intelligent කරන්න ඕනේ right අශ්වාක් ඊට පස්සේ power දෙන්න තියෙන 230 power එක දීලා on කරන්න right okay now I have disconnected it again disconnected it again Himash is looking at the number of participants ලා අඩු වෙනකොට ටිකක් හිමාෂ්ට බයයි right okay everyone okay got it disconnect කරන්න දැන් මේ Arduino board එක නෙමෙයි kids අර 230 power එක disconnect කරන්න all of you disconnected yeah right kids super do not touch the relay module when it is plugged I'm giving you that warning again and again do not touch the relay module red light එක වැඩ කරන්නේ නැති වුණාට කමක් නැහැ ඒක on off වෙනවා නම් that's it okay then we are proceeding now with the rest with the last step now take your breadboard kids breadboard එක ගන්න so in the breadboard you all know that are A B C D E කියලා තියෙන kids lines ටික can you all see that can you all see A B C D E lines okay හරි මම errors fix කරන time එක වෙනමම දෙන්නම් අපි ඉස්සෙල්ලා මේක කරලා ඉමු ඊට පස්සේ අපි errors fix කරමු right okay now A B C D E line එකට යන kids A B C D E okay do this with me step by step A B C D මේ row එකක් මම කියන්නේ connected කියලා these rows are connected I told you no these small rows are connected no each row has how many pins ඒ row එකක pins කීයක් තියෙනවද kids how many male connectors can be connected right අන්නේ 5 rows අන්නේ 5 pins they are all connected okay එකකට එකක් connected the 5 pins connected in that row second row කියන්නේ ආයි තව 5 pins they are connected ඊළඟ row එක connected likewise so now this is what we are going to do now take your මුලින්ම light sensor එක බලමු නේ okay take the light sensor okay tell me what is there in light sensor එකේ තියෙන අපි දන්නම දේවල් තුනක් what is it light sensor has three things what is that come on 3 pins are there what are those LDR this LDR sensor has what 3 tell me 3 pins are there very good Lushan digital out ground and VCC right directly light sensor එක kids මෙන්න මෙහෙම directly ම connect කරන්න ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ breadboard එකට මේ මම light sensor එක directly breadboard එකට connect කරලා තියෙන්නේ මෙන්න මෙහෙම connect කරගන්න light sensor එක to the 3 rows okay everyone ඒ බලන්න මේ බ්‍රෙඩ් බෝඩ් එක මෙහෙම නම් ලයිට් සෙන්සර් එක මේ අතර කනෙක්ට් කරලා තියෙන්නේ මේ. Look at it properly. Yeah. මේ මෙහෙම කනෙක්ට් කරලා තියෙන්නේ. All of you done? All of you done? All of you done with this, kids? Done connecting it? Superb. Hari. Superb. මේ light sensor එක කියන්නේ මෙන්න මේක. Not the one with two LEDs, one with the small sensor. Okay? Connect it. Everyone done, kids? Nashifa, can you see this? Could you connect? Superb. Right. Now, there are three lines now. Now, these three are connected to the three rows now. In those three rows, now, 4 pins are available. Ne? One pin is already connected. 4 pins are available in each row. Right? Okay. So, you can, when you connect to any of those pins, then you will be connecting to that respective pin in the sensor. Right? Okay. Now, what you should do, tell me, VCC එක දෙන්න මොකටද kids? Tell me. අපි VCC එක දෙන්න මොකටද kids? Come on. VCC කියන්නේ මොකක්ද kids? 5 volt නේ. සබින්සා නිකන් කනෙක්ට් කරපු එක නෙමෙයි. නේ? Connected නේ. Okay? Right. Connect the VCC to 5 volt. කොහොමද ඒක කනෙක්ට් කරන්නේ? ඒ row එක connected නේ. VCC row එකෙන් pin එකක් ගන්න kids. ඔන්න බලන්න මම දැන් VCC row එකෙන් ගන්නවා pin එකක්. Look at this. මේක මීට වඩා slow කරන්න බෑ kids. මේ උඩරිම slow කරන්න හොඳේ. Right. මේ VCC row එකෙන් මම අරන් තියෙන්නේ pin එකක් මේ like this මේ VCC row එකෙන් pin එකක්. From the VCC row I have taken a pin. I'll try to put a flashlight on this. Let's see whether it's clear. එබා From the VCC I have taken a pin. Right everyone? Okay the kids? It's connected. දැක්කද? ඒ VCC row එකට තමයි connect කරලා තියෙන්නේ. VCC row එකට connect කරලා තියෙන red wire එක මම. Okay? ඒ 5 volt එක ගලවන්න එපා. ඒ 5 volt එක ගලවන්න එපා. මම කියන්නේ ඒකට මොකද්ද කරන්න බලන්න කියලා. Right? Okay. Now yes, this is what you should do. Relay modules 5 volt or relay module එකේ 5 volt power එක ඒ VCC line එකටම connect කරන්න kids. ඒ VCC row එකටම connect කරන්න kids. relay module එකේ එන 5 volt එක ඒ VCC line එකට row එකටම connect කරන්න kids. Okay ද? හරිද? අර relay module එකට අපි power relay module එකට power දෙන 5 volt එක තියෙන්නේ. අපි Arduino board එකට connect කරලා තියෙන relay module එකේ 5 volt එක. Right? ඒක Arduino board එකේ side එකෙන් disconnect කරලා connect it to what? That VCC one, which means මේකේ 5 volt එකට connect කරන්න. Okay ද? Done everyone? Done everyone? හරි. ඉන්න මම දැන් මේක පෙන්නන්න පොඩි diagram එකකින්. This is how it should be done. මෙන්න මෙච්චරයි වෙන්නේ. Now this is my මේ තියෙන අපේ breadboard එක. හරිද? මේ breadboard එකේ lines 3ක් කියලා හිතන්නකො kids. මේ rows 3ක් breadboard එකේ. Okay? Come on, tell me. Each row has how many connections? Tell me. Each row has how many connections? Here the connections. Come on, come on. Here the 5 connections. 3, 4, 5. Ini mitana medini 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hari. I mitana 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Okay. Hari. Right. Now, medina be breadboard deke. Hari. In our breadboard, right? In breadboard deke. Okay. Right. Then, to this breadboard, we have already connected the module. No. Module එක අපි connect කරලා තියෙන්නේ. What is that මේ තියෙන අපේ module එක? These are module and it's now connected. Right? It's now connected. මෙතන මේ line එක connect වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. This is also connected. මෙයත් connected. Right? All of you okay? When you look at the connection, usually in my case, I have left side එකේ corner එකේ මොකද්ද kids? මෙහෙම අපි බැලුවොත් එහෙම left side එකේ corner එකේ මොකද්ද තියෙන්නේ kids? Come on, tell me. Left side corner, what do we have kids? Come on. Yes, digital out. Right. මෙතන තියෙන්නේ DO එක. Digital out. Right side corner, what do we have? Come on. VCC. ඒ කියන්නේ VCC කියන්නේ 5 volt එකනේ. 5 volt. Otherwise plus. Then in the middle, what do we have? මේ middle එකේ මොකක්ද kids? Ground එක, right. Okay. හරි. දැන් clear නේ වැඩේ? Okay. This is how we have connected it, no? Everyone has connected it, no? In this way, kids. Yeah, right? Super. Now we have our relay module එක තියෙනවානේ. මේ තියෙන relay module එක. මේ තියෙන මගේ relay module එක. Okay. This is the relay. Relay module එකේ I have say 4 connections are there. Right? Relay module එකේ the leftmost one, if I'm going to take, that is going to be ground. මෙතන තියෙන ground නේ. And then VCC. දැන් මේක අපි දන්නවා. මේක අපි connect කරලානේ තියෙන්නේ. In 1, in 2. හරිද? Now this is what you should do. Now this relay module is already connected with the Arduino board. We checked it, no? It's working, no? Take the VCC of relay module. මේ VCC wire එක අරගෙන kids. මොනවන් මම connect කරන විදිය පෙන්නනවා. VCC wire එක connect it to one of the available pins in here. Male, female, suitable connectors use කරන්න. wire එකක් අරන් connect කරන්න මේ. VCC to this one's VCC make connect කරන්න. Okay everyone? Okay everyone? Come on. Okay then clear නේ? Right. හරි. Then මෙයාගේ ground එක, this one's ground එකත් අරගෙන connect කරන්න kids මේකට. මෙයාගේ ground එකටම මෙන්න මෙතනින් connect කරන්න මේ. මේ corner most pin එක තියාගන්න, okay? Corner most pins දෙක තියාගන්න, okay? Keep it, huh? These two keep it. Okay? All of you connected? Done? හරිද? Everyone done? Come on, all of you done? They are Arduino board එකෙන් ground එක ගලවලා අතන high කරන්න තියෙන, very simple. Okay? Right, super. Then this is my Arduino board. ඔන්න මම Arduino board එක ගන්න. මේ තියෙන Arduino එක. Arduino. Arduino board, we have we have මේ කොහේ හරි තැනක අපි තියෙනවානේ 5 volt එක තියෙනවා ඊට පස්සේ ground එක තියෙනවා. yeah 5 volt එකයි ground එකයි තියෙනවානේ kids. Arduino board එකේ 5 volt and ground find it out. කොහෙන් හරි ගන්න එක. okay මම කියනවා මෙතන 5 volt මෙතන ground කියලා හිතන්නකො. මම කියනවා මෙතන 5 volt මෙතන ground කියලා. You can find it out no. Arduino board එකේ 5 volt එක this one this line connected to width එක වෙනස් කරනවා මං connected to breadboards අර VCC line එකට connect කරන්න. Arduino boards ground connected to this one's ground. දැන් හරිනේ ඔන්න දැන් 5 volt එකයි ground එකයි අපි share කරලා තියෙන දෙකට. All of you done kids? All of you done with this kids? Come on. Everyone done the? පොඩ්ඩක් තව මේක clear කරනවා.
Done board.
Your mic is on, Hyra. So this is let's say 5 volt, like a grounded. Okay, connect it. They are all connected now. Harni? 5 volt, ground. Everyone done now? Now, next one. මෙයාගේ in one එක kids. මෙයාගේ in one එක connected to pin number අපි කලින් connect කරලා තිබ්බ එකම තියන්න. What is it? Pin number 2. This one's in one connected to pin number දැන් දානවා pin number 2. මෙතන pin number 2 එක. Number 2 connected to this one's in one. In one hari in two hari based on how you did the wiring. Okay. Okay everyone. Okay everyone, come on. දැන් මීට වඩා තව clear කියලා දෙන්න විදියක් නැහැ. හොඳ මෙතන full clear diagram එක. Okay. Then this one's digital out මෙයාගේ digital out එක අන්න යා මාර important. මම යාව red color වලින් දාන්න. digital out එක connected to pin number 7 of Arduino. Pin number 7 එකට දාන්න. මේ Arduino එකේ pin number 7. Okay everyone. මොකක් හරි වෙන pin එකක් use කරලා බලන්න තරුෂ. Okay. Yeah, no problem. Same thing to any sensor. Same thing to any sensor. හරි. අපි ඉස්සෙල්ලා මේක කරලෙමු දුලාන්. Right. All of you done with this kids? All of you done with this kids? Come on. මාත් දැන් ටක් ගාලා connect කරගන්න. Right, okay. I'm done. How about your status? මේ connection එක හරියටම perfectly මේ විදිහට තියෙන්න ඕනේ. Right? If you have done the connection properly, අර කලින් විදිහටම relay එකේ TikTok sound එක එනවා. Okay? Right. Okay, super. හරි. then number වාගේ connection එකේ issue එකක්. Right. Now what can we do? හරි. දැන් ඒ ටික හරි. දැන් ඔක්කොම fully connected, right? Okay. Now this is what we are going to do. Now coding part. All of you, are you all done with the connection? Asking for one last time. Are you all done with the connection, kids? Everyone. Okay, the right. Okay, super, super. Hurry. Hurry. Now I'm proceeding with the code. This is what we should do. Pin mode to output. एक එහෙමම තියන්න. Digital write too high and too low. Remove it. Okay. Pin mode to output. Pin mode 7. Pin mode of pin number 7 should be input. Okay. Pin mode of pin number 7 should be input. Come on, kids. Pin mode of pin number 7 should be input. Come on. Bear Ravindran. ඔය TikTok relay එකේ TikTok එක අයින් කරන්න නම් ඉතින් relay එකට යන 5 volt line එක ගලවන්න වෙනවා. එහෙම කරන්න පුළුවන්. ඒතකොට relay එක වැඩ කරන්නේ නැහැ. Otherwise එහෙම TikTok sound එන්නේ නැති relays උත් තියෙනවා. Those are solid state relays. Solid state relays තියෙනවා. Right? හරි. Okay. Now හරි දැන් ඔය plugs connections on වෙන්නේ නැති ඒවා ඒ ටික චුට්ටක් ඔයගොල්ලෝ දැන් fix කරගන්න. දැන් එකපාරට වගේ සර් මගේ Arduino එක USB detect කරගන්න නැහැ කිව්වොත් එහෙම ඉතින් මට මේ පැත්තේ දැන් ඒක fix කරන්න අමාරුයි නේද? You have to check it පොඩ්ඩක් reconnect කරලා බලන්න හරියට connection හරියට loose වෙලා තියෙන පුළුවන්. Okay. Give it a try. Now we are proceeding with the rest. හරි. A levels වල අහන්නේ මේකේ mainly coding part එක සචිත්‍ර. Right. Pin mode 7 input, pin mode 2 output. Now what we are going to do, we are going to use, I'm going to mention here integer, let's say status, stat. S කියලා දාන්නකො හරි. S නැත්නම් ඔයගොල්ලෝ මොනවා type කරයිද දන්නනේ? int s simple s දාලා තියෙනවා. Okay? int s I'm saying S equals digital read from pin number 7. S equals digital read from pin number 7. Okay. And then if right, අපි බලමු මේක ඉස්සෙල්ලා වැඩ කරනවද කියලා. Okay. And then what we are going to do is here mention serial.begin 9600 and also මෙතන දාන්න serial.println බලන්න serial එකේ S capital println S delay 1000 delay 1000. Are you all done with this code, kids? Come on. Have you all typed this? Have you all typed this code? Come on. Done with this? Let me know once you have done typing this. මේක හරියටම type කරන්න serial එකේ S capital. මෙතන int s එක මම simple දාලා තියෙන්නේ fully simple. serial.println s delay 1000. We are going to check whether our LDR sensor is working or not. 7 එකට නේ ගහුවේ ඒක නේද? Yes. Right. Okay, everyone. Right. Anyone still typing this? Can you please mention in the chat screen? Anyone still typing this? Can you please mention in the chat screen? Can you quickly make it done? Zainab, Hemal, quickly type it. Let me know once you're done. Hemal done. Zainab, what's your status? Zainab, what's your status? Finish? Right. Now, upload this to the board. අර 230 bulb connect කරන්න ඕනේ නැහැ දැන්. ඒක එහෙමම තියන්න. Do not connect it. ඒ කියන්නේ 230 bulb එක අර plug එකට connect කරලා on කරන්න එපා. එහෙමම තියන්න. Keep it as it is. Upload this and then open the serial monitor. බලන්න kids serial monitor එකේ මෙන්න මේ වගේ 0 කියලා එනවාද කියලා. 0 කියලා එනවාද? Can you all see continuous zeros in the serial monitor? We have used this before. Right. Hari. Now, try covering that LDR small sensor from your hand. Using your hand. ඒක ළඟටම ගිහලා cover කරන්න kids. Cover it. Now it's going to become 1 නේද? හරි බලන්න 1 තියෙන අයට එහෙම කරාම 0 වෙනවද කියලා? Sit me check. වෙනව නේද? Right? Okay. So it is working in 2 different ways, which means, sorry. Now for me, when the light is there, it's 0. When it is dark, it is 1. In your case, it can be different. Then sit me, then sit me. When it is dark, what is it? When it is dark, what is it? Dark 1 right. When it is light, other way around. Right. Now, make a 1 0. If it is not getting changed properly, what you can do is you can see there's a small screw in there. Plastic screw එකක් තියෙනවා kids. You can use that to adjust the sensitivity level. Sensitivity level එක අඩු වැඩි කරන්න පුළුවන් kids. Serial monitor එක වැඩ කරන්නේ නැහැ කියලා කියන්නේ මෙතන ඔයා serial.begin 9600 දාලා නැහැ. Definitely මේක දාලා නැහැ. නැත්තම් serial.println මේක type කරලා නැහැ හරියට. Code එක double check කරන්න රශ්මි. මේක එක තැනක වැඩ කරලා තව තැනක වැඩ කරන්නේ නැති code එකක් නෙමෙයි. If the serial monitor is not working, then definitely there is a connection problem. එක්කෝ disconnect වෙලා ඇති මේ Arduino එක. Right? Right, everyone? Now just touch the sensor and see. එතකොට 1 වෙනවා මේ. Sensor එක cover කරාම touch වුණාම 1 වෙනවා. Right? දැන් මේක light off කරාම 1 වෙන්න හදන්නත් පුළුවන්. Now you can see it's 1 මේ. I have turned off the lights. I have turned off the lights. You can see it's continuously 1 now. Not declared in this scope කියලා කියන්නේ ඉතින් මෙතන int s එක දාලා නැහැ කියන එක උමයිම. On the fully dark theme then මේ. Now I'm going to turn on the light again. දැන් දැම්ම light off කරලා තියෙන්නේ. Now it's 1. Now it's 1 continuously. You can also try turning off lights. Sensitive to light. This one is sensitive to light, kids. Okay? Okay, everyone? Could you all get that output, expected output? You should figure out which number determines what killer. Right? Let me turn on the flasher. The flasher is offline. Come on. Right. Okay. You could determine now in my case, you can see when there is light, it's 0. It can be opposite in your case. Everyone got it right? Okay. If it's always 1, ඒ කියන්නේ අතර screw එකෙන් adjust කරන්න kids. Sensor එකේ තියෙනවා පොඩි screw එකක්. I'll show it to you. මේ තියෙන. This is the sensor now. This is the sensor now. Here you have a small screw. මේ තියෙන. මෙන්න මෙතන තියෙනවා plastic screw එකක් තියෙනවා මේ. Here. You can adjust it. You can adjust it. Right? ඒකෙන් අපිට පුළුවන් kids level එක adjust කරගන්න. ඒ කියන්නේ in that with that we can do it like this. Maybe ඔන්න දැන් හවස 7 වෙනකොට වගේ darkness එකක් එනකොට or maybe 6 o'clock වගේ එනකොට එන darkness එක එනකොට light එක on වෙන්න දාන්න. නැත්නම් when it's fully dark එනකොට විතරක් light එක on වෙන්න දාන්න. Likewise we can adjust it to make it work. Right? Okay? Still same නම් ඒ වගේ connection හරියට connections දීලා නැහැ. Okay. Right. You have to recheck your connection. Then now we are proceeding. අපි බලමු දැන් මේක මම ඉවර වෙච්ච එක හරි upload කරන්න try කරනවා so that you can check it again. Screw එක තියෙනවා දුලාන්. මේකේ තියෙනවා plastic screw එකක් තියෙනවා බලන්න. එකයි තියෙන එකම එක plastic screw එකක් තියෙනවා එතන. දුලාන්. There is a small plastic screw in there. Right? Okay. Now I'm going to proceed with the rest of the code. Come on, just asking. Could you all get this output, kids? Come on. Could you all get this output, kids? Come on. Yes or no? Come on, come on. Yes or no? Ah, superb. Now, I'm going to do it in this way. Serial.println s. After that, I'm going to say if me ban delay 1000 එකට කලින් තියෙන මේක if s is equals to 1 ඒ කියන්නේ මගේ මොකක්ද kids darkද if s is equals to 1 what is it dark නේද in my case darkද dark right yes. If s is equals to 1 then I'm saying digital write too high otherwise I am saying digital write too low here. Right? If s is equals to 1, digital write too high, else I am saying digital write too low. අපි බලමු මේක expected විදිහට වැඩ කරනවද කියලා. Okay? If s is equals to 1, I am saying double equals. මෙතන double equals to 1. We are checking whether it's equal to 1. Then digital write too high or else digital write too low. Okay everyone. Finally our delay 1000 එක තියෙනවා code එකේ. Are you all done with this kids? Come on. Done typing this? Anyone still typing? Can you please mention in the chat screen? Anyone still typing? Can you please mention in the chat screen? Okay, Ajmal. Let me know once you are done, Ajmal. Let me know once you are done with typing. Whoa, wait. Right. Ashfaq done. Ajmal, done typing this. මේ part එක විතරයි අපි add කරේ. If s equals 1, open curly bracket, digital write 2 comma high, semicolon, close curly bracket, and then else, open curly bracket, digital write 2 comma low, semicolon, and then close curly bracket. Okay, right? Fine. Now, may delay 1000 එකක් තියෙනවා පල්ලෙහා, right? Okay. Now what we are going to do, take the plug top. Make sure first of all that your relay module is in a safe zone, in a safe place. මම අර කලින් තිබ්බා වගේනේ safe place එක තියන්න කිව්ත් relay module එක. Okay everyone? Connect your 230 line and turn it on. Turn it on. And then upload this to the board. and see whether the light is on. Is it light is on or light is off? Tell me. Light take on, the light take off, the kids. Come on, tell me. Light take off. On. On. Right. Then what we should do? Right. Light take off, you don't have to change the code. If your light is off, you don't have to change the code. Don't worry. If your light is off, you don't have to change the code. But if your light is on, you will have to change the code. If your light is on, let's do it in this way. Instead of saying high here, say low, and then for the next one, say high. High low swap karana. When mukut swap karana ba. If your light is on by default, then lights are there. Okay, it's not dark, but still the light is on. So what you should do? Switch these two, low and high. Switch these two. Okay, and then try re-uploading. Now if it is off by default, light take a by default off now, no problem. Right. Now I'm going to turn off the lights. And you can see this is getting automatically turned on. Now it's an intelligent bulb. Now I'm going to turn on the lights. ඒ කියන්නේ දැන් on a daytime. එතකොට මේ bulb එක off වෙනවා kids. දැක්කද? I'm going to turn off the lights again. And the light is on. Turn on the light and this is getting turned off. එතකොට දැන් මම කිව්වනේ my one is blinking when lights are off නම් මොකද්ද කරන්න ඕනේ? ඒ issue එක කරනවා නම් මොකද්ද කරන්න ඕනේ කියලා කිව්ව නේද මම? මේ high low දෙක change කරලා upload කරන්න. I have told you know what to do kids. මේ high low දෙක change කරන්න. Swap කරන්න. And then upload. I'm going to now make it sensitive to my room flasher. Right? I'll try to make it sensitive to my room flasher now. Let's see. All right. Now this is sensitive to my room flasher. Now I'm going to turn off the room flasher. And you can see the bulb is getting turned on. Turn on the room flasher, the bulb is getting turned off. It's off now. Turn off the room flasher, the bulb is getting turned on. Turn on the room flasher, the bulb is getting turned off. That's it. Okay. Hurry. Okay. Blinking කියලා කියන්නේ it's not ඒ කියන්නේ blinking blink වෙනවා කියලා කියන්නේ ඒ කියන්නේ කලින් code එක තමයි වැඩ කරන්නේ. ඔයගොල්ලෝ මේ code එක upload වෙලා නැහැ කියන එක. If it is blinking, which means your previous code is working. ඒ කියන්නේ මේ if else දාලත් නැහැ හරියට. Code එක බලන්න, check the code, check the code. Why it is going on and off, then හරියට වැඩ කරන්නේ නැහැ ඒක. ඒ කියන්නේ code එක මේ code එක නෙමෙයි upload කරලා දෙන්නේ. Okay. How many of you got it working, kids? Come on, everyone. Please mention. How many of you got it working? Got it? Super. Will you be able to share? Will you be able to share? Anyone having anyone who can turn on the camera and show it? Product. Yeah? Anyone? All right. Thank you very much. Azman. Yeah, Azman? All right, it's working, no? Fine. Perfect. Right, so the light off color, try kara do. You have covered it from the hand, right? Fine, fine, okay. Right, superb, superb. Okay, show the full code. May the full code digga. Can you all see this code? Yeah, can you all see this font size? Yeah. Hurry. So these are the full code, kids. Right. You can try adjusting the sensitivity based on the sensitivity. There sensitivity එක සමහරකට අප්සෙට් විදිහට ඇඩ්ජස්ට් කරොත් එහෙම ලයිට් නිකන් ලයිට් එක කොච්චරාවත් මේක ඔෆ් වෙලාම තියෙන ලයිට් මේ ලයිට් එක කොච්චරාවත් බල්බ් එක ඔන් වෙලාම තියෙන්න පුළුවන්. right sensitivity එක product change කරලා තිබ්බොත් it depends on how you change the sensitivity. All right, fine. Right, kids.